Do you love nature, aquariums, plants and ecosystem? But you are told it's just a hobby, not a real career. In 2026, the scenario is changing. Nature-based skills are becoming real, respected professions. From aquascaping and aquarium science to marine ecosystem and sustainable design, the skills are now in demand. At TiCi Nature Academy, we don't teach theory alone. We teach on live system, real projects and real ecosystems. So if you want your career to bring purpose, peace and growth, definitely your journey can start here. Turn your love for nature into a career in 2026. The aim, nature to know more.